Today I'm going to show you a working and powerful method to get ChatGPT Pro or even ChatGPT Business completely free for 1 full month. No VPN, no real credit card, and this method is originally made for teachers. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any step. Right now I'm on chatgpt.com and I click on sign up for free. Next I open a new tab and go to this website. This website allows us to create an educational email in just a few seconds. Here I choose a username and create my education email successfully. As you can see, the email is ready. Now I copy this email, go back to the ChatGPT tab, paste it and click continue. Here I create a new password for the account and click continue. ChatGPT now sends a verification code to the email we just created. Refresh the page and as you can see the message arrives. I copy the verification code. Now I paste the code into ChatGPT and continue. Here it asks for my name and birth date. I fill in the information and continue. And just like that, the account is successfully created. Now pay close attention because this is the most important part. Since we used an educational email, ChatGPT automatically unlocks a special offer made for teachers. I click continue and here it is. A 1 month free subscription. This is the highest plan available on ChatGPT. ChatGPT Business. This plan gives you access to the most powerful features available. I choose 1 month free, $0. With this plan, you can add up to 5 users to the same account. You can repeat this method multiple times. No VPN is required, no real credit card is needed. Even a virtual or empty card works for verification only. This method is perfect for work, learning, productivity, and professional use. And just like that, you now have ChatGPT Pro or Business for free for a full month. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications because I share powerful and exclusive tricks like this all the time.